101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Yeah, with me, Radiasi Zahril or RD Sam. Yes, of course, for 1 hour, we will talking or discussion about English discussion, Smart Up Your Life with English communities. And as usually, I'm not alone here. We have friends from various communities, English communities of Makassar. Yeah, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite one by one for our guests for this evening. Start from, okay, you. Yeah, please introduce yourself. What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay, I'm Nana.
Yes.
I'm on behalf of English Youth Community. So, as a name, it's English, yeah?
Yes.
English Community. And we're not only focused on the learning program, but also the teaching program. And we have so many activities, such as free meeting. The schedule is on every weekend. And then we have intensive meeting, but it's only for agents.
Yeah.
We call agent for only the member of it.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
it's like the special name of it. And then we also have Kampung Binaan.
Okay, where is the exact location?
It's the special program, which is in Patalasang Goa.
Wow.
It's kind of like an hour from Makassar. So we teach the kids over there.
That's good. Okay, thank you. Welcome,
Okay.
Nana. Okay, what about you? Next, please introduce yourself. What is your meeting club? What about the schedule?
Okay, my name is Biba.
Hi, Biba.
Hi, guys. I'm delegate from MEX, Almarkas for Hidden Lighting Studies. MEX is English community. We held 3 times a week, which is on Tuesday, and Saturday. It is located on Masjid Al-Markas at first floor.
What about the schedule, please?
The schedule is on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
3
at 4
times.
p.m. Yeah, 3 times a week.
in a week. Is it free of charge for public?
Yeah, it's free for public. You can come anytime you want, guys.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Biba, welcome. Next. Yeah, please introduce yourselves to smart viewers and listeners at home. And what about your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Well, okay. Good evening, guys. My name is Richard Syahya. You can call me Richard. I'm delegate from BPC, or the abbreviation of BPC is Bentem Panyunyua English Club. It's located at Fort Rotterdam. The meeting, which held on every Sunday, start from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. It's located in Building J. If you would like to visit our community, you can come to our community at on Sunday at Building J. Then that's all from my simple explanation.
Okay. Welcome back to our second home, Smart FM, Richard. What about you, Ustad? Could you introduce yourself and what is your meeting club and what about the schedule, please?
Yeah, thank you very much. Bismillah. I'm Haidir, representative of Batara English Community, Batara Goa English Community.
Okay.
Actually, this is the community held by the English Association in Goa, especially for remote area. Teacher in English community, remote area in Goa. We hold once a month actually. When we hold arisan. Yeah, there is a regular meeting, and then we always choose a topic, and then we discuss start from the small discussion. Big discussion and become a small discussion.
Is this special for teachers?
English teacher, but in remote area in Goa.
It sounds interesting. Okay, welcome. Thank you, Ustad. Yeah. Okay, as I mentioned just now, I would like to mention our topic for this evening. But before I mention, of course, what we're talking about Indonesia. Indonesia is consists of 17,000 island more, and of course, our country located in tropic area. And when we talking about tropic area, everything is gonna be because our land is very fertile, so a lot of plants can grow here, include of unique plant like herbal, and that's why our topic for this evening is herbal medicine. Give it a applause for us. Are you ready, guys? Okay. My first question. Start from Nana again. How do you think about our topic for this evening, herbal medicine?
Well, talking about herbal medicine, I think it's really interesting because, as you said before, like Indonesia is a tropical country, right? And we have various plants in Indonesia. So I think it's really beneficial for us to use the herbal medicine for us, because we know that there's so many, and they are near us, so we can use that as much as we can.
Did you know that because our land is very fertile, just throwing something and automatically is grow automatically because our land is too fertile. You know, that's it is amazing. It's very we get blessing from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala.
Yeah, mashallah.
Okay, thank you, Nana. Okay, what about you, Ustad? Ustad Haider, how do you think about our topic for this evening, this episode?
Yeah, that's why I ready to come here, because I want to hear the. That's why before we come here, I asked you that, is there any student from pharmacy?
Yeah, actually, not.
That's why I can hear actually
we are
a deep explanation about herbal medicine.
Wow.
Because start from 2011 actually, I learned from Dr. Zerul Akbar how to maintain the health of the people through bekam, and then fast do also. Tibun Nabawi. I learned Tibun Nabawi. I also try to learn the function of like this. I bring this one
God.
because what is habatus soda? Habatus soda.
Yeah. Show to
Habatus soda.
smart viewers and listeners. Habatus
This is
soda, guys.
one of the one of the example of the what is herbal medicine.
Wow, great.
Yes,
The concrete.
that's why it's a good topic to discuss this one.
It's very related with your activity, right?
A little bit.
Yeah. Okay, what about you, Richard? How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, based on my opinion, I do believe that herbal medicine could be beneficial for our body, especially for nowadays in our country. We face the seasonal season, like sometimes it rains, sometimes it's quite hot, so we can call it pancaroba season.
Yeah, and we need herbal.
We need herbal medicine such as like
Saraba.
not saraba. I guess saraba it's only for like if you got fever, not just fever, like masuk angin.
Yeah, to maintain, right? To maintain
To
your anticipate.
health. But the best thing that I know, the herbal medicine, it's about the vitamin C. It's quite similar to herbal medicine, isn't it?
Only little actually, because herbal is low. There is no chemical composition. I
But
mean, like,
vitamin C, we could get it from the
oh yeah, the
natural resource.
nutrition,
Yeah,
nutrition.
that's
You
right.
means yeah. There is correlation, but the vitamin is like from natural, like fruits, like vegetable, and etc.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
most delicious food, I guess it's about the vegetables,
Yeah.
and it contains a lot of nutrition that you need.
Okay. It's gonna be excited to discuss this. Okay, keep your statement, Richard.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, what about you, Viva? Viva. Vibe? Viva. Okay, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
This topic is really interesting. I'm
Mhm.
just like Ustaz Haidir. I really interested in this topic, and actually, I'm not from like pharmaceutical backgrounds or whatsoever. And
Me too.
Yeah,
We
and I
are
really,
not. We are not.
and I really know so little about it, and I really curious to discuss it more. So I was
Mhm.
really interested in this topic.
Okay. You want to keep your statement or any else? Okay. Yeah. The second question. In your perspective or maybe your experience, have you used herbal medicine, and what kind of herbal medicine? Maybe from you, Viva. Yeah, you are still okay. Have you used herbal medicine, and what kind of herbal medicine?
Yeah, I think in my family, like we really keep it like if it is still not urgent yet,
Mhm.
do not take medicine so quickly. Like
Okay.
yeah, if we like having any sick or maybe to anticipate, we will like use honey as our
Oh,
medicine, or maybe if we like catching cold, or maybe we have some like cough or maybe fever,
Mhm.
we still would rather make our own ramuan.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's like from serai, ginger, and
Mhm.
turmeric.
Okay.
And
Where you come from?
I'm from Bugis. I'm
Which part?
from Luwu Timur.
Oh,
My
so
mom.
in the how to say Luwu Timur people always use herbal medicine.
Yeah. Actually,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Especially the daun-daunan. My mom always like consume it regularly. So yeah, but for me, like I don't really like the taste. So yeah, it's like for my
bitter, right?
Yeah, it's bitter and
But
I
very
don't
good
really
for our
like it.
health.
Yeah, but it's very good.
Mhm.
I know.
So you drink.
Yeah, I
Uh,
drink the.
How do we call the ramuan?
I don't know. My mom just say like just drink the ramuan.
Oh, when you get
Yeah.
sick.
Yeah, when we get sick. So it is really helpful, especially when we're like catching cold.
Mhm.
If we drink the ramuan before it's really get worse,
Okay.
like a day after you drink it, I can feel myself like getting better.
Oh,
It's
wow.
really the khasiat is really
Oh.
soon.
And also the stamina.
Yeah,
You get
yeah.
powerful.
Yeah, I
It's
think so.
working.
Yeah, I
Okay,
think so.
thank you. Okay, what about you, Richard? Have you used herbal medicine, and what kind of herbal medicine you like?
Okay. I guess I have used several herbal medicine, but
Mhm.
the most popular one is about ginger.
Ginger. Okay.
You guys know that ginger could be beneficial for our body if we catching cold,
Mhm.
or sometimes like if we got full of wine,
Mhm. Mhm.
such as masuk angin that I
Mhm.
mentioned.
Get a cold, masuk angin.
Yeah, that's right. And then the second is about okay, do you know ginseng?
Huh? Sorry.
Ginseng.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ginseng.
It's originally come from China, but
Yeah.
now
Which one is true, China or Korea?
well, okay. You
Which
want me
one?
to prove it?
No, no. I don't. My question only curious about it. Which one is actually originally from
Well,
China or
okay.
from Korea?
Based
About
on my knowledge, I know
ginseng.
it's originally from China, but
China.
probably it could the Chinese bring the ginseng to Korea,
okay.
it's because they would like to expand or they do some.
Maybe before Chris, yeah, before Chris, sebelum Masehi, China spread to Korea, right?
Because this what how to say tumbuhan,
plants.
these plants could just only can grow up in the cold area.
So you eat?
No, I don't eat. It's such as like ginger. We just cut it and we boil it.
Oh wow.
We do believe that it could be a strong medicine, like if you want, but it's not good for your kin. That's
why. What is the effect?
Most of the herbal medicine come from China. It's really strong.
Oh,
and
like doses. How to say it in English? Doses. Is doses? Okay, doses. Doses. You mean?
Yeah, you need to set the doses and don't over. Just please don't try to consume over and over.
Yeah.
It will harm your kidney.
Well, we will ask you later when we want to drink something about traditional or a recipe of traditional herbal. Okay.
Thank you.
Do you still any statement? You keep?
Okay, I will keep it.
Okay, you keep it. Okay. What about you, Ustad Haidir? Have you ever eaten or drank, and what kind of herbal medicine? Of course, absolutely.
Yeah.
You.
I still remember when my friend back from Aussie to continue his study. He came to my house and then directly he say, "Is there any rimpang?" He said rimpang.
Rimpang is rhizoma, ginger.
No, yes, rimpang.
Rhizoma.
Design. What is?
Ginger, right?
Ginger, yes.
Yes, rhizoma.
He remember when
COVID-19.
Yeah,
accident. No,
he
accident.
came
Phenomena.
he came to my house, and then I always make it.
Okay.
After he back from Australia, he looking for it. Is there any rimpang? Yeah.
Is it available for tomorrow?
you may come to my house. Actually, I always make it. Yeah.
Okay.
When I back to my kampung, my village in Bulukumba, sometimes I make it for my father. Yeah, to keep their health. And fortunately, Alhamdulillah, when I come to the kitchen, I found red water.
Okay.
And then my father said that it's very good for health. He say,
what did he say?
Sepang.
Like wood. 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 Sepang. And there is a color when you put on the water inside of the cup or inside of the mineral bottle.
Yes,
right?
It's the third one, and the second one, and the third one is I always consume the king of the fruit juice.
The king of
the fruit. Papaya actually.
Okay.
Yeah, and then every morning after do pray subuh, I consume kinds of juice.
Okay.
Juice.
It's very healthy.
Tomato, carrot, every day.
Wow.
My children also. Alhamdulillah, it's some. I feel that combine. We must combine it. Dr. Zero Akbar say that. You say that sometimes herbal is dangerous for our health if we consume over. Over. Yeah, that's why we must combine it.
That's the key, right?
Yeah.
To make it how to say equal or balance.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. It's very informative. What about you, Nana? Have you drink or maybe eat herbal medicine, or what kind of that herbal?
Okay. Actually, my family believe that herbal medicine can replace the pharmaceutical medicine. So I really remember when I was young, like my parents.
You was young. You're still
Yeah.
young.
Oh my god.
Child, maybe.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh-huh.
My parents like often give
Yes.
me like jamu,
Oh,
very Indonesian.
jamu, yeah,
Yeah,
jamu.
jamu is very Indonesian, right?
Uh-huh.
So I know that it is kind of like bitter or something.
Oh yeah.
But like my parents always mix it with the brown sugar
Mhm.
or something. So I think I really like jamu at the time.
Mm.
Now I like it also, but not
Still.
not consuming.
Okay.
Yeah. And also ginger tea.
Mhm.
Yeah. Because it's familiar, right? Even like we go to the cafe or something,
Yeah.
we find it, ginger tea, and also honey. Yeah. Honey,
Mhm.
like the basic one, I guess. Like people like it. It's sweet. Yeah. So they can mix it with any other food.
Mhm.
So I think that's it.
Okay. My next question. Why today? I mean, like new generation don't like herbal medicine. If we compare the previous generation, yeah, why they don't like it today?
Oh, I think it's because their perspective of it, like
Mhm.
the herbal medicine, kind of like bitter or
Yeah.
something. Like people who are really interested in herbal medicine don't really maybe put effort to make it like kind of sweet or something, or
Mhm.
maybe it's hard for
Mhm.
make it sweeter or something. And for medical medicine, like we know that it's like syrup or something.
Yeah.
It's sweet and it's like more suitable for kids, right?
Mhm.
Because kids often chew out like the the medicine.
Mhm.
So I think it's because their point of view of it. They think it's yeah, it's bitter and they don't want to take a risk of it.
Okay, I see. I got the point. Thank you, Nana. Ustad Haider. Yeah. Why today new generation don't like herbal medicine like
Yeah.
the generation before?
Yeah. One of the reason is promotion, maybe.
Promotion. Okay.
Yeah, that's why we must
Mhm.
promote to the young people the
Mhm.
benefit of herbal medicine.
Mhm.
I still remember when I came to my lecturer house to do hijama bekam,
Okay.
and also in line with the statement of dentist.
Mhm.
Dentist, I come to his clinic to do hijama. He say that why the Saudi Arabia, Mecca, Medina's people rarely come to the hospital.
Okay.
Only the people from Jamaah from out of Mecca, Medina come to the hospital.
Mhm.
Why? Because they try to imitate the way of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam,
Oh.
like consume regularly honey.
Oh yeah.
There is also dates.
Okay,
Dates,
kurma ya?
kurma,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. And then this one also very good. I
Siwak.
bring this one. Sorry,
Yeah, it's okay.
this is
Just show
siwak.
to smart viewers and listeners to know.
Very good function. There are if I read the function of siwak, there are 70 points. One of them, we early to say La ilaha illallah in the end of our life.
Oh, wow.
Subhanallah. That's why we must promote.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always. There are three ways actually if we want to keep in depth in the meaning of the meaning makna
Mhm.
in our heart. We must always talk about it. Yeah. when we maybe come to our family, we may discuss the function of herb medicine. Become also there is also maybe you don't know fasdu. Fasdu is one of the a good way to maintain
Okay,
our
keep your statement. Yeah, we will be right back after this
Yeah.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia station. We are back 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Give big applause for us. Thank you. Okay, we will continue our discussion. Okay, please continue because we got a commercial break. Okay, continue. What is the last your statement?
Still, we maybe focus on this one, yeah.
Yes.
The function of siwak.
Okay.
This is a sunnah Nabi actually. Yeah, when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam want to clean his teeth, Rasulullah used this one, and then he promote to his family, to followers, ummah. That's why we must try to use this one.
Campaign, yeah. Socialization.
Socialize.
Promote.
Socialize.
Socialize, yes.
And the third one, after promote, we must practice it and dua to Allah. We must dua to Allah, so we can know the essence of this one. Yeah, doa. Because we must say to ourselves that only when we follow Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we can success in the world and hereafter.
Amen.
Allah Ta'ala say in Al-Quran, if you say man in ayah, Allah Ta'ala say, Kul in kuntum tuhibbunallah. Hai Muhammad, say to your followers, if they love me, follow the way of your life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, it's very deep, meaningful. What about you? Why do people right now, I mean, new generation, don't like herbal medicine?
Well, okay. Based on my perspective, I guess as the young people on the modern era, I do believe that it's about the instant things. Nowadays, we would like everything that are quickly enough to consume, like noodles or everything.
Fast food.
If you need a medicine, we just went to the pharmacy, and at the pharmacy we just ask which kind of medicine that I need for my illness or my problems in my body. Comparing to in the past, we just we just discover what kind of plants or herbal medicine that we need to consume to cure our body or to cure our illness. Such as I have read several research.
Do you drink jamu?
I haven't drink jamu because
really?
Yeah, because in my family I just drink like relatively similar to
your culture.
My culture. Because I mean I'm just afraid to drink jamu, probably because of
no
the
jamu.
taste.
Say jamu.
Jamu.
Yes.
Oh.
Jamu.
Jamu.
There is explosion. Like a spirited sounds. Explosion. There is H inside. Okay, continue.
Okay.
Continue. Still.
Give me the question.
No. Okay, thank you. Give your question. Give your statement. Okay, what have you, Biba? Why do people right now don't like herbal medicine? How do you think about it?
I think maybe we can say that one of the factor also because it is really not as easy as our elderly found the
you
plants.
are elderly.
No, my our elderly like as you can see now, it is really hard for us, especially if we live in the city. Like it is really hard for us to find the plant itself. Like if we want to like buy the herbal medicine, like we have to go to the market, to the pasar, to traditional market, and then the price, I can say that it is as not as cheap if we just buy like medicine on the pharmacist. And then I agree with Richard. Our generation is really about all of the instant things, especially
like fast food.
Yeah,
right?
like fast food. You can literally
Soda.
say anything. Like literally, like even if we want to eat, we can like Gojek our food to our house. Like that is our generation is built, I guess. So if
One stop living in your hand by phone.
yeah, exactly, like
Delivery.
like whatever we can get as easily as possible. Like
Yeah.
we don't really think about like, oh my god, how is this is going to affect our body, our organs and stuff like that. Like okay, I'm fever now, I had a cold, I just want to heal as soon as possible. Like we don't really think about what is it do to our kidney, what is
Yeah.
it do to our liver. Like we just want like get over it as soon as possible. I think that is
Okay, my
my-
next question, still you.
okay.
Okay, as your knowledge on your mind, what ethnic or tribe or nation in all of the world identical with herbal,
I can say like
and why?
I can say like maybe like in the Middle Eastern, like Arabic. Yeah, because they are really maybe in China also, like they are really so thrive about their herbals and their
Give the example. Give the example about their herbal medicine.
I can say for like Middle Eastern, like you can say there is habatus sauda, there is dates
Okay.
and stuff like that, and they still use like some kind of oils
Okay.
to like heal their sickness or maybe to maintain their health. And for like China, I can say like even their like what is it their therapy like totok wajah or maybe yeah akupuntur, yeah exactly akupuntur, like
Yes.
it they still like keep it going like over generations, so
Oh, yeah.
it's still popular until like not just for their elderly but also for their like young generation such as Richard, right?
Wow, no knowledgeable you are. Okay, thank you.
Thank
How
you.
do you, what about you on your knowledge as your knowledge about what tribe or ethnic or nation identical with herbal medicine?
Well, actually, I don't really know much about it.
Yes.
But what's pop up in my mind,
Mhm.
it's ginseng. Like
yeah,
Richard
Korea?
said before, yeah, it's Korea because like the advertisement currently, like the campaign about it, like the ginseng in.
You may explore your statement like you don't need to actually mention about the nation, but you also may mention about the ethnicity, like Papua, Melanesia, Java, and etc. Because we are rich culture, right? Okay, so continue your statement.
Okay, so that's because before you ask about in the world, so
Yes.
a thing that's
Yeah.
pop up in mind.
Mhm.
But if we talk about Indonesia, I'll say it's Javanese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You may start from local to international, so all of mix mix all of the. Okay.
Yeah,
Mhm.
maybe that's because I think the jamu is start from Java because we know that they call it jamu gendong, which is gendong is
Gendong.
yeah, gendong is like carry
Uh-huh.
on the back, right? So I think the culture of it is so Javanese, like the jamu gendong,
Mhm.
and I think it's spread to any other island in Indonesia.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's why.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Ustad Haidir? in your knowledge about herbal medicine
Yeah.
based on ethnic or tribe or maybe nationality in all of the world?
Yeah. When I went to India, I
Oh,
see
India.
the culinary
Nahi?
over there. Yeah.
Acha.
And then they consume much onion,
Onion.
Bombay, yeah,
Oh, okay.
big onion, big garlic,
Okay.
yeah, and then we see that they are very strong.
He
Yeah.
carry.
Yes.
Yes.
And then in the morning, sometimes I consume zaitun.
Okay.
Zaitun fruit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, zaitun
Zaitun.
originally from what country? Zaitun.
Is
Middle East?
Middle East,
Oh,
yes.
okay, not from India.
But in India also there are many.
Okay.
Yeah. And there is also in Indian apple.
Indian apple.
Indian apple. People call here. If there
Is it apple?
Yeah, like apple,
Uh-huh.
but from India.
Okay.
But here in Indonesia, very small. There are many also here. Like we sometimes people take it when there is jinn in their house.
Okay.
Daun bidara, yes,
Oh.
daun bidara.
Seems like that.
Yes.
Okay.
In India, call Indian apple.
Oh.
It's very good actually. Sometimes
Bidara.
they consume directly.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I see that they are very strong, very healthy.
What about
because of-
clover? Chunke? Is it right? Clover?
Cengkeh,
There.
I didn't find it.
But
But actually, the point of the culinary of India, too much bumbu,
carry.
very curry.
Yeah, it's strong.
Yeah, that's why my friend study in Aligarh University.
Get
Sometimes
Harris.
make make video and show the culinary in India. Too much curry.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Satari. What about you? Based on your knowledge about herbal medicine, which ethnic or tribe or nation identical with herbal medicine?
Well, the most, right?
Yeah.
What if I mention two nations?
You may.
I guess it's the South Asian and Africa.
Africa. What kind of herbal medicine?
In Africa, there are a lot of herbal medicine because they just live in. I mean, they still live in the
Jungle.
rural. No, yeah, such as like a jungle, but which area? I mean, the natural area.
Okay.
That's why most of the African people are healthy and their genetic. I mean, they have a tallest genetic in the world.
One of.
For especially in Sudan, if we compare the Sudanese and the Dutch, the Sudanese are more taller than Dutch.
Okay, but can you identify the kind of herbal medicine, like a leaf, kind of food, kind of rempah-rempah that
If we were talking about the herbal medicine, I will choose the South Asian.
Oh, South Asian.
Yeah, starting from China and until Korea.
The
reason that I mentioned why China ethnic is the most popular.
Yeah, like
herbal
tea
medicine.
there, right?
There are
tea.
a lot of tea or ginger.
Yes.
Even ginseng. Ginseng is the most popular from China. And their ancestors have discovered a lot of herbal medicine.
Yeah.
And they have tabib. In the past,
tabib.
Yeah, they just have tabib. And the tabib now how to mix all the herbal medicine to cure any illness that that occurs in the past. But for us in our modern era, sometimes we don't know how to use this herbal medicine. I mean, we just know the benefit of this herbal medicine, but we actually don't know how. I mean, if we mix this herbal medicine, what will happen? But most based on my experience in the past, if you know Sulawesi Street, there are a lot of herbal medicine market, and in their market they provide
stay your mic, please.
Sorry.
Do not throw.
they provide a lot of mix. I mean, they can mix all the herbal medicine that you want. That's why sometimes I saw a lot of our local people went to Sulawesi Street to find the traditional herbal.
Okay.
And they do believe that I know one herbal medicine that can help you before you got a surgery. Like it could reduce all the.
It works.
Sorry.
It works. Manjur.
No, pendarahan.
Yeah.
Like pendarahan before surgery or after doing surgery.
What is that? What is that?
So I would like to mention the name,
but you forget.
You know, we could not mention.
Okay. But it works. Manjur, yeah? Okay. Thank you. Keep your statement. Okay, my next question is maybe we have to back to nature by using herbal medicine. If you want to campaign, what is the solution for the people's back to nature, like using herbal medicine? What will we have to do to persuade, to influence people back to nature by using herbal medicine? Do you have some tips how to make campaign about it, Nana?
Okay, to influence people, I think we should influence the young generation, right? Like the audience of it. And what we use currently is social media, right?
Okay.
So for me, I'm gonna use it like Instagram or something to influence. But the first thing that we have to do is implement it in our life, right? Start with ourselves.
Yeah,
then
that's very important.
Yeah, start with
how could it be people we can persuade if we can't if we not?
So we should start from ourselves.
Yeah.
Then we can influence people around us. Like in social media, we can share what is the herbal medicine that we use and what is the benefit of it. And not only in social media, but in our society life, right? Like maybe our family, our friends. So yeah.
Yeah, by using technology, using social media. But before you campaign, of course, you have to start from yourself, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, thank you. What about you, Viva? Your personal way to make campaign about back to nature, to using herbal medicine to our society.
Okay, I really agree with Nana. It is important for us to start with ourselves.
Yeah.
If we want to influence other people, and then if we can see and if we can feel the benefit of the herbal medicine, we can like suggest it to our maybe like our friends or maybe in our social media. And yes, social media could be really nice strategy if we want to promote the herbal medicine or back to nature life, because as you can see, our generation is really like will be on social media a lot. So it is really good if we are influencing them by using social media, or maybe we can make it accessible for people to access the herbal medicine, or maybe we can also campaign like what is the side effect of using pharmacy medicine for a lot, like we actually have an alternative, which is herbal medicine. Actually, there's a lot of company that start making like from plant or from herbal as a medicine, but it is not really popular. It's
Yeah.
not as popular as the pharmacy one. So I think we can also help those company
Yeah.
to like this is a nice alternative ones.
Mhm.
I think, yeah.
Okay, thank you. After this, guys, prepare your vocabularies, your items, your conclusion, your wise word maybe about our topic. Yeah, relate with herbal medicine. Okay, the same question. In your personal way, what will you do to campaign this herbal medicine?
Okay, for me, I will do the same things that our friends mentioned before, like campaign on social media. But
Mhm.
it's actually just a little bit more if
Yeah.
we campaign on social media.
Mhm.
The reasons that I say is because we need the government.
Uh-huh.
All the society are ruled by the government.
Mhm.
So I do believe that if we do collaboration with the
We
government.
do. We need, how to say, do we need to demonstration on the street?
No, not demonstration, but we try to collab,
Oh,
like
yeah.
making a proposal
Oh.
for the government and ask them to do collaboration about campaigning the herbal
Yeah, please
the
make it
herbal
stable.
the
Yeah.
herbal medicine,
Yes.
such as we went to the government, and
Mhm.
if we need to taught them or explain to them
Yeah.
what the benefit of consume the herbal medicine,
Mhm.
but we need some expert to explain to them.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we cannot do by ourselves, but we need several expert people who expert in mixing all the herbal
Synergy
medicine.
with all of stakeholder like a government,
That's right.
like society, like how to say swasta, private, yes,
The private company.
company.
But
Yeah.
if we start from the government have all the access to the company, even the private or the public company, and they can ask them to provide us
Oh, yeah.
the system or the machine to combine all these herbal things.
So we have to knocking roller maker.
That's right.
Right. Okay, government.
Obviously.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Ustad? Your personal way to make
Yeah.
a massive campaign about herbal medicine?
Yeah, in one side, I do agree with your statement that we need expert to explain it, like Dr. Zaidul Akbar do in social media,
Yeah.
in LinkedIn also promote, and then the effect of it. There are many people, especially in Sulawesi, change their mindset, the way of life from barat ke timur, pengobatan barat ke timur.
Timur ke barat
Ke
atau barat ke
barat.
timur?
Yes.
Yes.
Like it.
Selatan
In one
ke utara.
side, yes.
Ustad.
We need promote in Facebook.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
In one side. In another side, I agree with your sisters.
With ladies?
Yeah, ladies, that start from ourselves.
Yeah.
And then we can be a model to our family, our neighbor, our society, and they can see that, jarang kuliah sakit. How to maintain your
what is this secret? What is the secret?
Yeah. And then we can also promote to other people that this is a good model. Like my lecturer, he never use shampoo shop also.
Okay. Chemical.
Totally herb.
Okay.
To clean his head, he use jeruk nipis. He and she also.
Okay.
He use jeruk nipis.
What about jerami bakar?
Like it. Yeah.
Okay. Please conclude your conclusion for our topic for this evening.
I just want
Herbal
to
medicine.
Remind, especially for youngsters, young generation, that we must know and practice apply again the concept of East Timur.
Okay.
That we must try to hear the apa ini recipe
Okay.
of our mother parents that
Our ancestor
to
recipe.
maintain our
Okay.
health.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Short conclusion.
Okay, for me, even though we have consumed all the herbal things or
Mhm.
supplements that came from our natural resource,
Mhm.
but you sometimes don't know what will happen to your body or
Yeah.
to your health. That's why I suggest you to 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 get several health insurance to cover up your body,
Okay.
like a Western mindset, right?
Okay, after this, maybe next we have to put a topic life insurance. Okay, thank you, Richard. Okay, what about you, Viva? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening, herbal medicine?
Yeah, I think it is important for us to know the side effect of using the pharmacist medicine like over and over. It can like resistance to our body and whatsoever, and it's not really kind to our kidney.
Yeah.
And herbal medicine, even if it's not as popular as it used to be, but it can still be our alternative until this day. So. Yeah, that's
Because herbal is it works, right?
yeah, it still
Ample.
works.
Okay, what about you, Nana? What is your
Yeah, because
conclusion?
all of you already conclude all of it. I will invite the viewer and listener to try the herbal medicine and to familiar with it, like such as ginger, garlic also, and honey, and so on.
Okay, thank you, guys. Yeah, thank you, Nana. Thank you, Abiba. Thank you, Richard. Thank you, Ustad Hadi, for coming here in our second home. Yeah, that's all our conversation for this evening in Smart Up Your Life English Education with English Community. Yeah, from Yusuf, from Max, from BPECM, from Bataragoa English Community. Yeah, that's all our conversation, and I do hope you will stay tuned on Smart FM 101.1, Smart FM Spirit of Indonesia. See you next week. Yeah, next week at 7 p.m. as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. on Smart FM 101.1, Smart Spirit of Indonesia. See you. Bye bye.